Hey, what's going on, guys? And this is Steve here with Momentum Marketing Tips. And I'm going to show you a tool that's going to allow you to put multiple links to your Instagram and allow you to get a lot more traffic to everything that you offer in terms of goods and services. So stay tuned right after this. Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Steve here. I'm going to jump right into this video. I want to show you this tool that's going to allow you to get multiple links on your Instagram bio. Okay, so what we're going to do is jump right over here onto this tool, which is called TapLink. Okay, so what TapLink is, you may have been familiar with another software called Linktree, where it just gives you the option to get, you have 3 more links that you can use in your bio if someone goes ahead and clicks on your link in your bio. But what TapLink allows you to do is do a lot more than just 2 links. In essence, it allows you to kind of build your own website within your Instagram bio. Okay. Now, whether you're doing a personal brand or you're doing a business Instagram profile, this software can be used either way. Okay. So I want to just kind of show you how this works so you can see how I have mine set up here. Okay. And what it will allow you to do is add different elements, and it shows you how it will show up on someone's phone when they click your bio. So when they click my bio link, it will come in here and show you this, right? I have an image carousel here. If some of you have done Facebook Messenger, it's kind of similar to that, right? So if I can get this thing to close. All right, so in the image carousel, it's kind of going to allow you to put whatever images you want here, okay? Also will allow you put the captions below the pictures, okay? And you have a unique looking profile. As soon as someone clicks on that bio, they can see you, or they could see a picture of your business, or they could see, whatever image you want to then associate with you, okay? Depending on what you're doing. Now, it does allow you to do the traditional links, okay? So as you can see down here, I have a link to my free masterclass here on my Revenue Mastery. So if someone goes to click that, it would take them to my free masterclass that will allow them to schedule when they want to watch that. Okay, then I can put my link text down here. I can go to Action Open Website, which will let me paste my URL to where I would want that button to go. Okay, and you can do the buttons like this. But let me kind of show you the options you have. As it's loading up here, you're going to see that it has a lot of different options that you can incorporate into your TapLink profile. Okay, so you can add text, you can add a link. The link is like what you just saw, the blue button. You can add a delimiter, you can add an avatar, you can add a frequently asked question on there. You can even link to Facebook Messenger in here if you are doing something like e-com or a particular type of offer where a person can just message your page directly through Instagram, which is extremely powerful if you know anything about Facebook Messenger. Okay, you could even add a video in here if you wanted to add a video. Okay, if you wanted someone to click a link on your phone and then it actually goes to a video as soon as they click, you can do that. Okay, now if you're going to do that, you want to make sure the video is good quality and it loads fast. But you definitely can do it. The image carousel is what we just looked at with the 3 images. Okay, you can add social networks. So again, if we click to add social networks, I could put in a link to my Facebook page. Okay, I could put a link into my YouTube. So I say, hey, I want you to, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I could link to my YouTube channel there. Okay, which is not a bad idea. If you're business to business, you can link to your LinkedIn profile here. Boom. Okay. So that person can find you on Instagram, instantly get to your LinkedIn and follow you. Okay. It's extremely powerful software, in my opinion, because it's so much that you can do with it. Okay. So let's X out of here. I'm going to show you a few more options down here. As you can see, you can have a timer on here. So if you want to put some scarcity on the offer where it's only available, for the next 24 hours or 2 days, you could put that on there as well. Now, here's where I've never seen anything quite like this on what you would call, I don't know if you call this a link shortener or not, but on any type of software, is you can actually create a form here and you can set up payments. As you see, I haven't done anything like that, but let's say if I was a consultant, right? And they go through my Instagram page and see all of my content, they like it, they can actually go put their name and email in here, and they could submit a payment. They could schedule a consultation and submit a payment and pay it all through my Instagram account. Okay, so that is extremely powerful, especially the larger your following becomes on Instagram, depending on what type of business you run. Okay, and it's like I said, it's just as easy as this in terms of how to set this up. This software is extremely stable. I've been using it for about a week now, and it's been very, very impressive. It just allows you to position yourself differently than everyone else, right? Somebody else is going to have a link in the bio of their Instagram that may take you to their website and may take you out to, whatever other offer they have, which they have to kind of exit Instagram in order to do that. But this will keep them on the platform, but it give them options in terms of this is what you offer, this is what you have going on right now, and it's very seamless and very stable. Okay, so what I'm going to do, let's see if we have any, make sure as you can see, let's go over this real quick. Let's go to statistics. So click on statistics here. It would show you, okay, how many links per day, page views. It clicks on links that you got on the links that we put on that page you just saw. How much traction did we get? So it actually gives you the analytics as well on your page, not just the Instagram has its own analytics, but this software itself tells you what type of traffic you've gotten. Okay, so now if I go back a day, that's just for the day. If I go back, let's see. You can go back a day, a week, a month, whatever the case may be. And it would tell you, hey, you got this much traction on this page. Okay, so you can see a couple of days ago, got 5 link clicks, 28% conversion means that people actually went to this page. Okay, so you can see, and you see the page views at 18 right here. Everything you need is encompassed in this. This is extremely impressive. Like I said, the company owners actually sent this over to me to review this and use it. And I wanted to make sure I did a video review for you all as well, because I highly recommend this. If you're using Instagram for your business or personal brand, this is definitely worth the investment in it, and it's very inexpensive. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave the link in the description below for TapLink, so you guys can go ahead in, and I believe there is a trial version of it as well. But I'm going to tell you, once you get this thing set up, you're going to want to use the full version of it, because it's extremely valuable for your Instagram business. Okay, so I'm going to leave a link in there as well. Also, I'm going to leave a bonus in there for my Instagram training. Okay, so you can look in the description of this video. If you're on YouTube, there's going to be a link to TapLink. I'm going to put some bonus training on how to optimize your Instagram profile, and also some other Instagram tips and tricks to help you explode your following fast on Instagram, and not just get more followers, but get more customers and clients, which is the name of the game. Okay, so again, it's Steve of Momentum Marketing Tips. Glad to see you guys again. Make sure you hit the follow button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Have a great day.